Hi guys, today I'm using Deborah Stilettos. Deborah, thank you for allowing me to use your store to make these videos. We're going to go over some of your features in your back store that are very fun and very helpful. One of my favorite things that I added was the bulk edit. You could do one or all of them. You could select them by page also, or select them all. And under the bulk edit, there's different things that you could do. The first thing I want to talk about is this on sale or promotion. Let's say that you are going to be running a sale in your store. Then you're going to go, I don't know, 10%, whatever percentage you're going to be offering. And you're going to be selecting how many days the sale is going to be for. You have a choice from 1 to 31 days. You choose and then you set apply. What we'll do is that after those days, the price will go back to normal and you don't really have to come and adjust them. The sale will run its course. Another thing that you want to do is that if you want to cancel a sale, you would cancel it here. Let's say that you have set it up and you no longer want to have the sale, then you could always cancel it. You could also add to your store categories, and this is store categories that you had already pre-done. Another thing that you could do is you could add a note to your items. This note that you will add here, notice it doesn't show you what note you have there. Maybe that's a good feature to have in the future rebuild. Right now it doesn't show you. However, this new note will replace whatever note you have. Let's say you're going on vacation. The reason why you want to add a note to your items is most buyers do not look at your store, and this note or whatever store you set up as your store announcement, they would only see it if they go into your store. However, if they're going fast and they need to buy this item right away, more likely they will not go into your store, so they will buy it from the item detail, and the item detail doesn't give them your store announcement. However, in the item detail, we do have an area for a note, and this is where this could come in handy, especially if you have important things to let your customers know. For example, you're going on vacation, whatever the case is. Okay, you would just after you add it, you would just apply. The next one is shipping. I know that Deborah Stilettos offers free shipping, so she usually doesn't have any she doesn't have any profiles, but let's just say that you just imported your items from Etsy or eBay. The shipping does not import. However, you could come here and do them in the bulk edit, and then but first you have to set up your profiles, and I'll show you how to do that. So here's for shipping. Quantity, that's if you wanted to add, I don't know, let's just say that you just came in with several items, 20, you want to add additional items to your items, then you could just go here and change it. Availability, you could go from in stock or made to order. Product tags, this was a fun one. Let's just say that we are going to be having a sale for Father's Day, then you may want to add a tag to all your products that includes Father's Day on it, or your store, whatever it is. You could always enter it here. Categories are a big one. In TrEmbu, you can list one item in up to 4 different categories. It's like listing 4 different items. You have the main category, you have the subcategory, the choice, and types. And you have 4 different categories. The sales tax is not working right now. It is being done in the rebuild. Change price. Guys, ooh, this one's not even displaying right. I would have to okay, well, let me just, I will have our builders, developers fix this, but when you want to change the price, you have to be very careful when you do this, because this will either increase or decrease by percentage or by amount. Let's just say that your supplies have gone up 10%, so now you want to raise the price of all your store items by 10%. What you will do is that you will go in the plus, you will go 10%, apply. This will raise the prices on all the items that you have pre-selected by 10%. The problem is that if you want to go back and kind of undo, we don't have an undo. So be very careful with this feature, please. If you don't want to do it by percentage, you may want to do it by an amount. Let's just say you want to go $10 more, then you would go the same. You would just press 10 and apply. Same thing applies that if you wanted to reduce your prices, you could do that here. Okay. All right. We're going to go over how to list fast. If you import it from Etsy or eBay, you probably want to go in there and use the bulk edit to fix all your items because they will not have shipping information nor categories. But if you want to keep adding and you want to add a faster way, what you want to do is that you want to select an item similar to what you're going to be listing. And let's just say that I'm going to be listing a sandal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose any sandal. I'm going to press copy. What copy does is basically copies the same to a new item. So I can delete images and upload the new images of my new item or my new sandal. I could change the title, I could change the description, I could change the materials, the sizes, everything really. Some items may stay the same. As you could see, my notes are probably the same on all listings. If you want to change from in stock to made to order, you could do that. The quantity also, the price. It's already in sandals, but I could change it to whatever else. I could even create a new category. It's already a new item or it's used. In tags, I am going to delete orange because it is not an orange sandal. This one happens to be a silver, kind of shiny. Let me see. I'm looking at Deborah Stiletto's library to see what she has. Yep, I believe they're shiny. And I also want to add silver on them. Okay, I also want to make sure that all the 4 categories are filled out. If this was an item that was different, I would just go in there and change it. Okay. Let's just say that this item happens to be more expensive. When you change the price, notice that it does not change the price on your choices. So what you want to do is just delete them. You don't have to manually input them again. However, let's say that I am going to add 2 additional sizes. I'm going to do size 10 and size 11. But these 2 are going to be $1 more expensive than the original one. So the original price is $25.99. I don't have to put it here because that will automatically come in here. I'm just going to put $26.99 because these ones are more expensive. And if you want to feel more secure and put them here, you could always do that. But you don't have to fill it in when it's the same. And also you could do, maybe you have 3 of these, 2 of those, 4 of those, 2 of these. So basically that's what you do. And then what you do is you have 2 choices. You could either save it in drafts to publish later, or you could preview to submit. And that pretty much shows you how it's gonna show in real life. And all you would do is just publish. Since this is not a real deal, we are not going to publish. And guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ideas, or concerns, you could always email us at support@TrEmbu.com. Thank you for watching.